welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, listen to what he has to say in this clip.
Darling, I call the people in here, Mr. Port at 99.
People want to show off bright white teeth when they smile. And I'm about to spill the tea on high.
My hair is a damn mess. I need a hairdo. Troubles and skirts.
The yellow steak.
Good morning, everybody. Morning. Come here, speak your mind. Intact. I wish part by you not mind me. I wish, because I would like to know. I wish part by you not mind me. I wish part by you. So me not have no right speak your mind TV. Humpy dumpy. Miss ass. Come. You want to come out and cuss every woman. And your argument is this and your speak your mind TV. I have never begged you nor nobody to help me with my problem. Speak your mind TV because say you're short or something. Like you they get no breast milk. Speak your mind TV, you get breast milk when you grow up. You look like you don't get no breast milk. Me notice all I don't want to come out. Me not business who want bash who and bash not. You don't watch the video, but you don't come out and you talk. Me don't know where you're from, mother. Me notice who no man. Love put on a G-string and come out. Right now. No. We never come America, nor England come beg nothing. That's the great part. Uno never see me a beg nothing when they come on social media with what they have. And none of uno now run me and feel me ready to come off. You understand? Speak your mind TV. Speak your mind TV want come out. Everybody. Whoa. You look like I him at the line. Where all the big drawers they hang out pan. Speak your mind TV look like you have a drawers problem. Yeah? Speak your mind TV you have a drawers problem. You want come out. And you only do it off a base of the fact of what you know. I will say it again and it's the last time I'm going to say it. Nobody has reached out to me. I haven't told nobody nothing. Me and nobody know what no visa argument. They were all lying at me. Nothing that comes out of 99 no make war. If a person gets $1 million from upper 99, I may speak truth. It come nothing to them. If that lady come out and beg for somebody to start a business, the business never shine. How see people living up? If the truth should be told, the people then can't live in the house them in peace.
Pause. Port. What exactly do you mean by that? If the truth should be told. You know what? This is not what I want to ask questions, pal. So let's continue till we reach a part of I want to ask my question about.
Something wrong with that. I never said no.
That person you just wrote, that the person she's addressing, this is not about them. I don't care about that person. I look at boss after people name, right? And him only want to have boss, right? Cause him is a non-entity, but I'm not here for him. I'm here for ask some questions based on what my airport to say.
Open for my people them go foreign. I never do paperwork for them go foreign.
Hold on. Let's go back.
I never set no pan for my people them go foreign. I never do paperwork for them go foreign. They are Belgians. That is the difference. Me notice you know the pan you go on like
That is a difference. I have some more touch pan. More touch pan that right sister. That is, you never put no paperwork for your children and them to go foreign. That is it, right? Let me hear right. Let me hear right.
that. I never set no pan for my people them go foreign. I never do paperwork for them go foreign. They are Belgians. That is the difference.
So basically, Porty, you're saying, right? You're saying because 99 children wasn't born in America, your children are somewhat better than her children, right? You see, and people, this is not about me and 99 not seeing eye to eye. This is not about me not liking Porty. This is just what's right and what's wrong. I have never heard 99 once ever spoken ill of Porty's children. Never. Ever. So Porty, let me ask you another question. So a long time you did want to talk these things about the lady then. That's one of my questions. A long time you didn't want to talk it. I feel like, right, I feel like because you know it's no turning back. It's no turning back from what you've done. You see, as for me, I had me not care when nobody say. Me no business when nobody say. Me had the right to cuss her because she did me wrong, right? But I still cannot comprehend which part of cuss out I come from. So you are telling me along to you want cuss the woman. I saw me look for it along to you want cuss her. You just get the opportunity to cuss her now and you not stop. Will you stop? Don't you think? Don't you think a full time you stop? I hope it is not you. Ping. Listen, if I you better come off. You better come off my page. You don't like me, I don't like you. If I ping, you one over there, so come off my page. Make a look for you. If I you are going black, you. Me not laugh. Sorry, but me have to look. You don't like me, I don't like you. After you cuss me, you cuss out my clot. You cuss out my clot, you walk and hook up on my page. And where you do over here? Come off. Come on, pig for you. Because for you are black in the backside. I can see it for you. You're lucky. Alright. So what you can say ping for? You're lucky. Anyways, back to my conversation. Porty a long time you want cuss the woman. Long time. And me feel like say, because you know say, it's no going back from what you do. Cause you never had no right to cuss her. You never have no right. And it's not the first day you cuss her, you know. And the first time, and the second time, and the third time, about 1, 4 or 5 now, right? I never have no right. You never have no right. Alright, me think of the ping. I already went for black cutting backside. Don't like it, but you don't like